True? 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 True?
Eve, what are you doing here?
Oh, you scared me. I just had to say it properly to God. Oh, look, I brought you this. Okay, go.
To Kill a Mockingbird?
Yeah, remember in high school, it was like our favorite book and we would read it all the time?
Yeah.
We were reading this, and then you were laughing so hard, you spilled coffee all over it.
Yeah, how could I forget? God, those are the days. Do you remember what it was about?
I think it's about these two kids who were having adventures, and then this black guy was randomly accused and then killed outside of something.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah. They brought up a lot of racial injustice and showed what was really going on in the world, or in America at least. And then that's when people started to protest against it, and they were yelling, "Make love, not war." And I think those guys were right.
I think so too. Oh, your flight's about to leave. You gotta go. Bye.
Right.
Oh, don't forget this. Bye, True.